Saturday it did not work out. And Friday and Sunday almost worked out. And then blah, 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 I didn't. Blah, 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 blah. Life happened and I didn't. But that's okay. The reason why life just happens, sometimes there's nothing you can do. And so when life just happens, you have to remember what I always work on is I still love me even though I didn't do what I planned on doing, right? My mom instilled so much hate in my head that I have to work on remembering to love myself. So I had chicken wings yesterday, I had a donut yesterday, and I'm not beating myself up for the things that I had because it's important to remember it's life and it'll always be in the way. And we are all moms and we love our kids so much. We feed our kids as healthy as possible. We teach our kids how to read, write, how to play soccer, how to throw a ball, how to play catch, how to be a good human. But you also have to remember to do the same thing for yourself. We as moms tend to forget that someone loves you like your kids and yourself, and you have to put yourself first in order to continue to be a good mom and a good human and continue to go through this life because it is so challenging and the past does not just disappear, it grows with you. And so I always talk about triggers. Anytime that life and this disease gets in my way, I am now aware of my situation and I'm able to handle it a little bit better. As long as you're handling your triggers and your situation and your life and you remember to love yourself, it's okay with whatever happened yesterday and you just move on and you don't beat yourself up for having a donut. Enjoy the donut. The diet is not over. This progress is not ruined. You didn't do anything wrong. There's nothing wrong with you. Get out of your head. Why just can't I have a that? Stop it. Go away. I'm not hearing you. I enjoyed a donut and that's okay. Nothing wrong with enjoying the donut. Tomorrow I'm gonna eat the chicken. Okay? It's okay. There's no such thing as falling off a track. You just come back. We're here together. I do me, you do you, we do it together. Okay? You didn't work out this weekend, and that's okay. You ate bad last night, had red velvet cake. I love red velvet cake. After you saw me eat a jelly-filled donut. That's okay. I hope you enjoy your red velvet cake. That's my favorite. Good morning, Jonah. Welcome back. Week 2, girl. You're running late. No worries. You can watch this later. After the sweets, you had steak. Marta, you gotta take it easy on that red meat. Just a little take it easy on red meat. Every time we talk, you're always eating red meat. And red meat has a lot of sodium, a lot of cholesterol, a lot of fat. And it takes 3 days to digest red meat. So if you could simmer down a little bit on the red meat, you will see how much better that is for you. All right? But nothing wrong with having red velvet. Gladys, good morning. Gladys, you had a fantastic weekend. I like your accountability this morning of weighing in. I think it's fantastic.